Hi friends, welcome to WizBusters. I'm Emma and today I'm going to show you how to use the sum function with examples in Google Sheets and Excel. This function is used to add up or find the summation of values that we specified. We can specify these values as number parameters, as a reference to a cell, ranges, arrays, constant, or a combination of these. The maximum number of individual parameters or arguments the sum function can have is 255. The sum function returns the sum of the values specified, that is, the number which is the result from calculating the addition of all the numbers. To use the sum function, we need to tell Google Sheets or Excel a list of the numbers to add up. In Google Sheets, you will see equals sum, value 1, value 2, etc. While in Excel, you will see sum, number 1, number 2. So let's dive into an example to see what I mean. Before we begin, to stay updated with new videos, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified of the latest videos out. In this example, we have a table with 3 groups and 6 teams, with 2 teams in each group. The table on the right shows 5 different objectives we need to get. We need to calculate the sum stated in each of the 5 rows. The first one is to find the total of the shells collected in group 1. Suppose we do not use the sum function, we can simply add these together. We can type in equal C4 plus C5. Enter. We get 122. If we use the sum function, let's delete this. If we use the sum function, we can type this in 2 ways. We can type it in as equals sum C4, comma C5, where each cell is its different parameter, which we get 122, and let's delete that. And I'll show you the second way, which is equal to sum, and we choose the range C4 to C5 as one parameter, close the parenthesis, and press enter, and we got 122. Let's look at the second example. Find the total number of shells collected in group 2. We must add up teams C and D, so we can use the sum function as equals sum, and here we know that we can use the range C6 to C7, close the parenthesis, and we've got 76. If you just wanted to do a quick check, you can just do C6 plus C7, and you will also get 76. So that shows. Let's use the sum function with the range for the third example. Total number of shells collected in group 3. We type in equals sum, C8 to C9, close parenthesis, and we got 120 in return. Our fourth example asks, find the total number of shells in groups 1 and 3. We can use ranges and separate them by a comma. For example, we can use the sum function equals sum, and group 1 is this range, C4 to C5, comma, and group 3 is C8 to C9, and close the parenthesis. We've got 242. If we just wanted to do a quick check, we can just notice we've got group 1 here, which was 122. We add that to group 3, and we did get 242. Finally, in our 5th row, we're being asked to find the total number of shells collected by all groups. We can type in equals sum and choose the range of cells that is for all groups, that's C4 to C9, close parenthesis, and we got 318. Now that you know how to use the function, I wanted to touch on some other important points about this function. As we saw in our example, parameters can include cell references, ranges, constants, and named range. Secondly, as mentioned earlier, a maximum of 255 parameters can be included in the function. A third point is that when the function requires multiple references on the worksheet, like in example 4, here, groups 1 and 3, we do not need to enter a comma, but we can use a keyboard shortcut, and that is by holding down the Control key on Windows and click the references, or hold down the Command key on a Mac and click the references. The fourth point I wanted to call out is that the sum function automatically ignores empty cells with text values. It won't return an error. For example, if we change the value of D, team D, to yes. Notice that the total for group 2 changed to 65, which is just 65. Also, notice that the total for all groups changed. Thank you for watching this video, and hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get more videos like this, and hit the bell to get notifications of the latest videos out. See you in the next video.